friends, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today we are preparing traditional South Indian recipe Hitikida Avarekalu Saaru, also known as peeled hyacinth beans curry. So let's start. First soak 400 grams of Hitikidabele in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then take a pan, heat little oil, add 2 chopped onions. Next add 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 5 green chilies. Then add 15 to 20 garlic clove, 1 inch chopped ginger. Finally add 1 chopped tomato and fry till they become soft. Now add some coriander leaf, turn off the heat and keep it aside. Add half grated coconut, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and chili powder. Mix it well and let it cool down. Now heat 3 spoons of oil in a cooker. Add 1 spoon of mustard seed and few curry leaf. Add half chopped onions and saute it well. Now drain the beans and add it to the cooker. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of salt as per your taste and mix it well. Now take the cool mixture and grind it to a smooth paste. Add the paste, pour some water, mix it well, cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Our simple and flavorful Hitikida Avarekalu Saaru is ready. Serve it hot with ragi ball, popularly known as mudde in Kannada. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.